off. Take 5 feet off.
Listen, here's what's going to happen. If it's the right length, it works like a trebuchet, which means the force that you're pulling this way by G-forces is about equal or the same as the force of pulling. Every action will have a reaction. So if it's too long, you don't have enough G-force, and then what happens is it sucks you back this way, and instead of being out there, the cable's so long, you're back here.
That's why I'll have the initial run at it.
Well, if you watch YouTube, unless you have a faster tractor, if the faster your tractor is, the longer you can make that. The slower it is, the shorter you have to, so the cable doesn't. Right now, the cable's going to end up swinging back here instead of staying up that way.
Yeah. The pivot point is still at the tractor.
It has nothing to do with the pivot point.
No.
It has to do with how much force is pulling you this way compared to how much mass is pulling you back this way.
Are you next, Dave?
When I set up stunts, they work perfect. So let's see how this is going to work. You have a different camera now?
Yeah.
Okay, who wants to go on the island? You have to take your shoes and socks off, and you're walking the underwater road. It's only this deep.
Yeah, I know what you do.
If I wasn't operating that, I would do it. The water's warm. You won't get your rocks wet. You slide there. It's only that deep. There's an underwater swing you over.
Hey, Dave, swing them over.
Why is everybody afraid of clean water? So it wouldn't come undone. Now it come undone. It all of a sudden
perfect here.
But all of a sudden it comes off and jerks. That's wrong. That's why you got to throw the bucket down again so it stays in the right position.
Pull it. That's fine there, Dave.
Put it down.
Put it down. Pull it over. Flip it. Now look, you're going to have to zoom in a little bit. Just a little.
Are you ready?
You give me an intro.
Okay. All right, we are going to test our victim on something that's seen before on YouTube, not original, but first time we ever tried it. The redneck water skipping, or whatever you want to call it. Rick's going to be hanging on that handle with duct tape. Get the shot of the handle. Are you going to get a shot of the handle? The handle on the ground?
Extend the hole all the way out.
Duct tape. And good luck. The water's still warm. It hopefully lands in the deep end over there. Awesome. We got an island crew up there on the platform. Are you ready?
All right, we're all good. Oh, okay.
I'm going to smoke a whole cigarette, all right?
No.
Cameras are running. Save your cigarette for the survival cigarette.
God, I'm taking a cigarette with me.
That's cigarette abuse. You bastard.
You gonna live with a cigarette and die with a cigarette?
Hey, remember I did the jump with my doom buggy? And come back down through the mud, I kept my cigarette in my mouth.
You might lose your sandals. Take your sandals off.
Yeah, go on.
Oh man.
Come on, dive. Any last words, Rick?
Yeah, this is gonna be fun.
All right, start recording.
Hey, Rick, that's the Backhoe view.
million comments. Sue Dave, Sue Dave.
Now come on this way, because you're in the sun.
Yeah.
Tough as nails.
Tough as nails.
Hang on, I've got to zoom back out.
We have a survivor.
Makes it feel better, we got it all on film. Well, Mr. Rickham, you're going to do it again. You had a bit of an accident.
Ah, fuck accident.
You don't care, do you?
No.
Look at that, eh? Mate, as steel he is, look at him.
Couple smashes
you'll
and
be
bruises. Fuck, we're good.
So we'll wait a little while and we'll do it again, shall we?
Maybe we should make something where you can hang by your feet.
You need to be, listen, you need to be here when you're lifted off the ground about an inch, then flick that way, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it needs.
No worries.
If you're dragging in the water, it's sliding you down.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're not getting maximum velocity at the end of the rope. Yeah.
Good thing you didn't break my backhoe.
Mr. Rickham's at it again, anyhow. He just loves busting himself up, anyhow. It looked like from over there.
Oh, things that go wrong, you can sell on TV shows. Maybe you can make some money off this.
Rick,
If someone contacts me, I'll let you make money.
Yeah.
your face smashed.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I was like, oh shit.
You went right out.
I was like,
No, if we pointed the backhoe this way, right, and waited till I actually got around to that side, I'd be fucking launched.
It's what I kept, listen, it's what I kept saying. You need the back on here, you need lifting up in the air.
You remember, this is our very first time. We're not experts at this.
Hey!
And then do exactly what you did.
Meter!
Awesome.
All right, who's next? Come on, we won't do any return rides.
You've got to be off the ground because
That's pretty safe the other way. What can go wrong?
skidding.
You'll be famous. Come on.
It's going to hurt.
You all right, buddy? Do you want ice or something?
Huh?
Cracked a kneecap. I don't think so, though.
Oh, I hit it hard. You fucking hard.
yeah.
No.
I think it'd be black by now if it was broken.
Well, remember here, I broke my ankle. It took it like 8 hours to swell up.
Just one little purple spot.
Can you feel a crack in it anywhere or not?
Well, I can't really bend it right now.
No, you wouldn't want to be touching it yet. But
Just give it an hour or two.
if it cracks, then it bleeds a lot. It'll be a lot bigger red spot.
Yeah, bone bleeds suck.
Yeah.
Yeah, I broke my ankle.